on learning English more effectively. Okay, so if you want to grow faster in English, you've got to study smarter, not just longer. This overview of the RuiEnglish method gives you a clear path to unlock real progress, making English feel easier and even enjoyable right from the start. First, this is all about three core things: your strengths, your motivation, and your environment. You'll see how these shape your progress. We'll also talk about managing your motivation, balancing those external goals like a test or a job with the internal stuff like your own curiosity. That's what really keeps you going. Second, you're going to use some self-reflection to get a really clear picture of your own learning style. This means looking at what you're already good at and figuring out what strategies helped you get there. We'll use some guiding questions to kind of connect your strengths, your environment, and your motivation all together. And finally, getting ready is all about setting the right mindset. This means thinking about your past successes, grabbing the resources you already use, like your notebooks or apps, and just being open to trying new things. Oh, and you're also going to write down one big reason why learning English matters to you today and keep it somewhere you can see it. It's a great little reminder. By the end of this, you'll know how to study in a way that truly fits you, giving you a really strong foundation for the rest of the module.
Hi everyone, welcome to Module 1. We are starting with Strengths in Action. This session is about connecting what you are already great at with how you learn English. Think about something you mastered, maybe cooking, driving, a video game, or just organizing your desk. How did you do it? Did you watch videos? Did you practice with a friend? Or did you just jump in and learn by doing? That method you used? That is your strength. That is your learning DNA. This activity isn't about grammar. It's about awareness. We are going to take that strategy, the one that already works for you, and apply it to English. When you use your natural strengths, English feels easier, more enjoyable, and much more effective. So, get your notes ready, keep an open mind, and let's find out how you learn best.